Good morning, grade 4 students. It's English time. Okay, we know that when we combine words or letters, we form another word or we form another meaning. So, observe these words: impossible, fearless, reproduction. Okay? So, we have added words or letter to the root words. Okay, for example, the word impossible. Okay, the letters added here is im. We have changed the meaning of the root word. Fearless. We have changed the meaning of the root word fear. It means it doesn't fear anything, or some guy doesn't fear anything if he is fearless. Reproduction. Okay, R-E and I-O-N we have added to product to change or to form a new meaning. Okay, these are what we call affixes. This is our topic for today. So, what are affixes? Affixes are words that are added to the beginning or end of a root word to change its meaning. Okay, so that is the purpose of affix, to change the meaning of the root word by adding words or letter to the beginning or at the end. Okay, so there are two types of affixes. First one is prefix. A prefix is a word added at the beginning of a root word. Okay, so let's take a look at the example. Reproduction. So, how can we spot the prefix? First, look for the root word. What is the root word in this word? Okay, product, because the meaning of this word is derived from the root word, product. Okay, and when you spot the root word, go look if there is any letters or words attached at the beginning of the root word. Is there any word attached at the beginning of the root word? Yes, R-E. Okay, so the root word is the product and the prefix is R-E. It is prefix because it is found at the beginning of the root word. That is how we use prefix. Okay, I want you to observe this table. We have here the prefix, its meaning, example. Okay, students, these are the commonly used prefix. Okay, first, anti. It means against. Antibodies, okay, or antibodies. Prefix this, it means not. Example, dislocate, dismember, disarrange. So there's many words that use this prefix. The prefix extra, it means beyond. Example, extraordinary. It means it is beyond ordinary or above ordinary. Okay? The prefixes il, im, in, ir. So these prefixes shares the same meaning, not or without. So here are examples: illogical, impossible, inconsiderate, irresponsible. Okay, and that is how we use prefix. Okay, so there are two types of affix. The first one is prefix and the next one is suffix. Suffix is a word added at the end of a root word. So if the prefix is added at the beginning, suffix is added at the end. So let's try to spot the suffix in this example. Reproduction. So look for the root word and spot if there are any words or letter attached at the end of the root word. The root word is product, then the suffix is ION. Reproduction. Okay, so observe this table. These are the commonly used suffixes. First one, able. its meaning can be done, means it's possible. Example, agreeable. Okay? Suffix ly or ly. Its meaning is forming an adjective. Okay, example, clearly. Okay? And the next, suffix ish. It means having characteristic of or like. It means that when you add this to any nouns, you are saying that the noun you are referring to has the same characteristic with the word or the noun that you are using. For example, childish. Okay? Last suffix in this table, less. It means without. It means without. Example, fearless. Okay? Doesn't fear anyone or anything. He is brave, courageous, fearless. And that is how we use suffix. So I want you to be reminded, students, that the purpose or the function of affix is to change the meaning of the root word. Okay? So let us dissect this word, reproduction. What is the meaning of product, the root word? Product, a thing or a person that is the result of an action or a process. Okay? So, what is the meaning of the prefix, which is re? To do something again. Okay? So, you are doing or you are making a product again. ion, the suffix, means a process, result, a state or condition. It means the state of doing something again. Reproduction. Okay. So what does reproduction means? An action or process of making a copy of something. Okay? And that is the function of affix. I want you to answer the 4-item activity on page 103.